In today's world, wireless internet is a crucial element in our day-to-day lives. There's hardly a moment throughout the day where we don't access the internet for work or personal use. And for those who live in rural areas outside of busy cities and suburbs, access to the internet is a challenge. In some cases, it's simply not available. For underserved or disadvantaged areas of the United States, fixed wireless internet is an affordable and reliable alternative to wireline services. With help from technology partner DoubleRadius, CityNet is taking the initiative to streamline and provide internet access to rural West Virginia. Fixed wireless is the fastest growing sector of the broadband industry and is a powerful ally in closing the digital divide in order to serve the hardest to reach areas of rural America.
Reach out to us. Let us use our clientele to support you and win in your area, because that's what we're here to do. We're here to help.
Visit our websites today